Kapuso actress Sanya Lopez reacted to being called a love team slayer in a recent interview on Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Sanya is one of the most in-demand Kapuso actresses nowadays. She has been featured in one TV series after another. Fans are also loving her hosting and dancing stints in the Kapuso Sunday musical variety show All Out Sundays. Her most recent TV series was the historical drama Pulang Araw. In this series, she was paired with Asia's multimedia Alden Richards. Talking about her on-screen partnership with her leading ladies. With this, she was asked about being called Love Team Slayer or Love Team Threat, based on the article in GMA News Online. During her on-screen partnership with Alden, the actor was doing his movie Hello, Love, again with Asia's superstar Catherine Bernardo, and their tandem is known as Kathden. Then, she has an upcoming project with Kapuso actor David Licauco, the current on-screen partner of Barbie Forteza. Their tandem is known as Barda. With this, Sanya said, "Nasa isip ko lang, Tito Boy, na I'm blessed." She is happy to be with prominent stars in the entertainment industry. Kasi itong mga taong to, sila yung mga blessed din na actors, actresses. Napakahusay nila, magaling po silang lahat, the actress said. And to be partnered with Alden and David now, it's a privilege po na makasama sila, Sanya added. The actress also pointed out that having good chemistry with her on-screen partner is very important. Sanya Lopez also shared that she does not read negative comments online, kasi at the end of the day, trabaho pa din. It's work, she said. However, she understands the negative comments because she is also a Love Team fan. Sanya is aware that some fans would get jealous, but she stressed that real fans would support a celebrity, whoever the on-screen partner is.